Today in this video we will see few vocabulary words. Using those vocabulary words we will be framing the sentence. So this video will be specifically for spoken Hindi learners as well as for the Hindi learners. So we'll just go with one by one. The first word is may. The first one is may, par or kaha. So there are four words. May, which means it's a preposition in. You can see here the vocabulary word may, in. Par, on, again a preposition per, on, or and, kaha, it's a WH1, WH question, kaha, where. You can see over here the word kaha, where. So these four words, based on these four words you'll be framing the sentences. So for that we need few more vocabulary words. So those are over here: haath, hand, diwar, wall. Haath, hand, diwar, wall. Then zameen, floor, and the sentence completion hai, are, because it's a plural, hence n we will be writing hai. So now we'll start with the same. Haath mein kalam. Haath mein kalam means haath. Haath means hand. Mein kalam. Mein means in. Kalam means pen. So haath mein kalam hai. The same sentence it's been written here. Haath mein kalam hai, which means in the hand the pen is. The pen is in the hand. So now the question will be kalam kaha hai? Kalam haath mein hai. Where is the pen? Kalam kaha hai? Where is the pen? Kalam haath mein hai. The pen is in the hand. Haath mein kya hai? Just the question twisted. Haath mein kya hai? What is in the hand? Haath mein kalam hai. What is in the hand? The pen is in the hand. So we have used here three words and we have framed the sentence. First, this one. We have framed a sentence, followed by we have asked a question and we have responded the answer. Similarly over here too. Same way we'll move for the next one. Mez par kitab. Mez, table. This one you know the meaning: par, on, kitab, pustak, pothi. There are three words for the word book. Mez par kitab hai. Sentence as it is. Completion will be hai. Mez par kitab hai, which means the book is on the table. The book, which means kitab, is sentence completion hai, on, this one preposition par, the table stating for the word table, which is mez. Again asking the question, taking mez separately and kitab separately. So kitab kaha hai? Where is the book? The book is on the table. So kitab mez par hai. Similarly, mez par kya hai? What is on the table? Mez par kya hai? Mez par kitab hai. The book is on the table. Same way, we'll go for a few more vocabulary words. Diwar. Diwar par ghadi. Diwar par ghadi. So diwar is wall. Diwar, wall. Ghadi, clock. Ghadi, clock. Diwar par ghadi, which means the clock is on the wall. Clock on the wall. The heading is clock on the wall. Diwar par ghadi hai. So we'll just add here hai. So diwar par ghadi hai, which means clock is on the wall. Ghadi kaha hai? Just splitting the same diwar and ghadi. So first we take the ghadi one. Ghadi kaha hai? Where is the clock? Ghadi diwar par hai. The clock is on the wall. Diwar par kya hai? What is on the wall? Diwar par ghadi hai. The clock is on the wall. Same way we are using the last one. Zameen par mez or kursi. So here we have used these words: zameen, then we used here or, and we used here the word kursi. Okay. Zameen means floor. Zameen, floor. This one you know the meaning: on. Mez or kursi, both are objects. Mez, table, or and kursi, chair. So zameen par mez or kursi, which means on the floor, zameen par, on the floor, mez or kursi, table and chair, mez or kursi, table and chair, zameen par, on the floor. मेज कहाँ है, वेर इज द मेज, मेज कहाँ है, वेर इज द मेज और वेर इज द टेबल, मेज जमीन पर है, द टेबल इज ऑन द फ्लोर, मेज जमीन पर है, जमीन पर, ऑन द फ्लोर, द टेबल इज ऑन द फ्लोर. Same way, splitting the same. कुर्सी कहाँ है, where is the chair, same way like we splitted for maze, same way for here for chair. कुर्सी कहाँ है, where is the chair, कुर्सी ज़मीन पर है, कुर्सी ज़मीन पर है, which means on the floor the chair is, or the chair is on the floor. Now we'll ask both here, मेज और कुर्सी कहाँ है, which means मेज और कुर्सी दोनों, there will be two objects, where are those two objects? आंसर, मेज और कुर्सी जमीन पर है. सो द टेबल एंड द चेयर, और टेबल एज वेल एज द चेयर आर ऑन द फ्लोर. आर इज सेंटेंस कंप्लीशन है, ऑन इज पर एंड द फ्लोर इज फॉर जमीन. सो हियर विथ वी हैव लर्न maximum vocabulary words, and the usage of those vocabulary words we have framed the sentence. Also we have asked the question using the word kaha here, kaha. So like once again we'll repeat the same. हाथ, दीवार, मैं, पर, और, कहाँ, ज़मीन and है. So thank you learners for watching the video. I hope the video is useful for you. Stay tuned with the same. If you have any doubts, please let us know, and at the same time we'll try our best to post as much as we can the videos. Thank you so much.